we be waking up one morning when the man jam one I have when I say Abia Ozo. Here enjoy with this type of thing now. Enjoy with this type of video bona. Uno na affair. Una bambo na to nuche ni hene men. Because now a lot of our Catholic Reverend Fathers na happen uno na aboko. Dono na achu okay. Mama have you kuni talk like this and the mother will emotions I say happy life father ye in a one de fadoku touch not my anointed and do this and do that. Ekugo mi an obuno me tarogeta. Obuno me tarogeta oye me tagese. The reason why I don't ever and I call for your attention into some of the deeper things and the signal most of you may ignore is that now one day you will need somebody that will decode some of those things for you. The person man knows it there. The reason why it should be better make use of this opportunity seen in water is because that now we are here to also to debunk and to decode some of the lies these people are posting in our frontiers. Can you hear this father then? Father one night working on Asian Haiti continent. He always all the vocal about the things in Haiti. Haiti, the insecurity in Haiti, the bad condition as as priests is into the field. The bad condition the KC more the very, very vocal about it. But other vocal about the Ihenemen in Nigeria. Other vocal about Igbo Christians. Other vocal about Ihenemen na Josumba. Other vocal about Ihenemen na Kaduna Mbose Easter. Other vocal about Ihane Bundi Christians na Benue State. You heard the vocal ya keneme na mba ebe ononia, which is not a bad thing. Man ebe muna hana na problem is that na obo na idro vocal ni heme na Nigeria. It is na vocal ni heme na churches na Nigeria. Because a man onwage a church member in ekwu maka church man hemezia in the community where church is. Eba kedi heris father dangerous can maybe ship earlier on okunu we kigene what be iwe musi abia. Not that I am angry with him, but I am angry about the hypocritical ways in the Catholic Church Reverend Fathers see pass their message along. Man, I will not be here to watch you downgrade the church. No matter where you worship, no matter who you are, you cannot speak and downgrade the church in any form of fear wagenket. That is why we are here. Ali sobgo na manzota ndị na-achọ bata ndị ha nọ n'ime ka azọtagodo ha ndụ afọbịara m hospital ya pụta na-achọ ime ndị na-anabata more patients without ndị nọ n'ime dị na-enweta onwe ha to give room for more bed for ndị abịbịa dị n'alụ. It is not done that way. Ọdụrụ mma nara emenwu ya eme. So ọ bụrụ na unu manụ na manzota ndị nọ n'ime azọta unu emepezi na room for ndị nọ n'ezi bata and obono no man and no easy amambata una nachufu ndo no name and achufu oga all of you should go and remove your cassock and go back to your ancestral land. Can you hear father? Also, if you are a Catholic planning to buy your Easter video candle inside the church tonight, you are taking part in buying and selling in God's house. You are taking part in buying and selling in God's house. The habit is harmful and shows unpreparedness for the sacred celebration. Please buy your candles before coming to the church, not inside the church. So now you were maka what of ndahanenwe emergency. What of emergency? Candle obukwa ya bụ ihu na eju epụta ka unu wee distract ya ndị mmadụ n'ime ha na-eme. Candle bulu no njo ile na Catholic Church. Man ile bulletin aboro njo. Candle bu njo. To him now ile candle in terms of evil buying and selling. Ile those ones aboli anjo. Man ile Catholic hymn book aboli anjo. Why didn't you tell people to go and buy it outside? Why are you not telling people to go and buy Catholic hymn book outside? Obrolo no njo. Man ile sacramentals, rosary, crucifix, cross and all this saint imagas massive and I know is Benedict in Onumba, the Catholic in earlier within the Catholic bookshops and in no within the Catholic Church. So those ones are bro alone on Joe. Man was a candle a go bon choice in all the part of buying and selling in the Catholic in our support of buying and selling in our church. This is the same Reverend Father. Yes, one way share video post so you know that now Catholic Vatican create your room for now sitting ekpele ha n'ime Vatican. So these people have ya as anything to talk about. Ejele na Catholic Church, I think ọ Catholic Church dị ha igburu ndị mmadụ gwogwu. Ọsọkwa ya bụ na ọ bụrụgoro Catholic Church, in as much as na ndị Hausa baa n'ebe ụlọ ụka dị bụ ndị na-eje ụka, it's a thing of concern. If not for anything, at least for you being a priest, you people say that no be highest in the Christian faith based on order of Melchizedek. I quote, your followers na-aga. Why haven't you people been vocal about the insecurity and one even the Christians in Nigeria? I have a church, the Christians, including on Christmas Day. Emeyana Palm Sunday, Uzuroha, but on Christmas Day, make the same thing. Obulihane na Catholic Church below the problem. And the Vatican are keeping quiet about the things in Nigeria. Vatican na-emechi ọnụ banketi, the head of Catholic Church na banketi. So see how they have yawo ije de create a cross na cross aje create ya about 10 feet cross. Aje create a cross on the LBBQ. Aje create n'ime Vatican. So also one cardinal was vocal about it, saying that ihe ha na-eme adọrọ mma. N'ihe na-eme adọrọ mma, kedu kunu esi je create a big cross like this hang ya na Catholic kunu na Vatican for that matter. Unu na anata mkpụrụ obi, unu na-achọ ndị na-eme nwoke na nwaanyị unu ya anata. Hapụzie ihe na-eme that we are supposed to talk about. I'm not saying ije chọta ndị ahụ na-efu efu, ndị ahụ those things adọrọ mma. I am not saying na ha adọrọ mma, don't misquote me. Mana ebe weli emotions na asị ka ebe ndị fada anyị na-agwa fada okwu. To hell with you. To hell with you. Kaila happens in here na okay. This father is this people and their mindset hand towards things. They always find it every opportunity how we earlier and they secret all this priest in adoration within the Catholic body, all these Catholics in adoration. Asigi igona kando, igona kama na ego bulletin na church, ana ego hymnbook, ana ego sacramentals, ana ego candle, ana ego ihe ọzọ, ana ego a lot of things ana ego na Catholic book. Why not have we busisia? If including that Holy Communion on the use, you guys are buying it. Even the wine on the use ana ego. Efele echela HJT Holy Communion ana ego. Why don't you go and pick it free because all your church? Kaida always no why. Kaida always no why. Only who no chuleko as father potano kugoko and obu no nwere who no chuleko. Bible saying that a fool even when his silence is regarded wise. Una confuses nande mmadụ n'ọnụka. Allow people to worship God. Allow people to praise their God. Allow people to do things that is in line with the things of God. Manunu neme bazaar na church. Aneme bazaar. Are they supposed to do bazaar na church? Kedi hende mad neme no kachukwu jiwe chọha ọrụ bazaar. Ka na-eme ihe bute no ka ya ke free unu ebulu na-eme wele na-eme bazaar. Kedu na upgrade ga to ego. Anazi eme going go ni ha na-eme zikata envelope achitazi ego. And I keep asking this question. Ego ai tuta no ka na Catholic Church na elu Rome. Mana why can't our voices during insecurity lure Rome so that Rome to respond? Why are they not also responding fastly? Saying with an alert to see from Catholic Church after? Why are they with that alert like that? Does it mean that Catholic Church no Nigerian and the mother now Christians in Nigeria now one can achieve them to every place able 10 Christians in achieve them na Catholics and already. In achieve them na Catholics and already. But anyway, Catholics no na sena ufonya and ahia jiro mako ofonya man kedu kunu sekua ojiro ahia menje mako ofonya man no ahia zero. That is the mindset unu jiaga. Mana Bible line agume ka ghọta that na onye na-akpa atụrụ chụgidela atụrụ ọfụrụ okposa 99 on ọzọ oje chọgbu ofufulefu. Kedu unu ya agwa Chukwu on that day? Kedu unu ya agwa Chukwu on that very day? So this Reverend Father, stop distracting people. Stop it. If ego candle na church buru no sin, then ego bulletin should be a sin too. Because that bulletin no print it here. ndị na-ele ego fuwe ha na-agbachi the money because eso m le how many times ego fu m n'aka. Nwere ka ọ bụrụ na-achọ inye mmadụ 1 ịmalụ ichefu enye ya 2. At the end of the day gbakọwa ego gị ego ga ama nzu. Ị na-ele bulletin na mmadụ dashie gị ga-agbakọcha ego fu na ego zu onwe ego ma n'enu they will take it. Ama hapụrụ gị ya. Ha na-ewu ya except na the smart go ego gị tupu ndị agha na-abịa isomit or ilecha n'oge igo ego gị jesi oke ebe gị blatin that was 3,000 ilekpọ ya wele ego ha nya nwezi ndị dashi gị ego hapụrụ gị change n'ọnụ ụtụtụ ahụ ịbịa diwe. That's the way we do it during our time. Is that one not also a sin? Atọgbu ụtọ si wepụ aghụghọ na ya. That's all I have to say. God one.